In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the recycle bin for this drive is corrupted on Windows 10 and 11. First thing you're going to do, type in cmd, right click, run as administrator, click yes. And here you're going to type in rd /s /q z, actually c, and then two columns, and then slash, the other slash, then $, and then recycle dot bin. Now for this C here, you wanna replace it with whatever like recycle bin folder you have. So for me it's C. If you have it something else, then you gotta replace this with whatever you're having error with. So I'm gonna do C and press enter. After you press enter, you wanna wait for a few seconds. So after you wait, your issue should be fixed, and now you shouldn't have any errors when trying to using your recycle bin.